Hey guys, welcome back to Obstructed Auto. Today we're going to be working on the Camaro Z28. We're going to be cleaning the engine bay. We're going to go through a step-by-step process of how to get it done and looking nice. Today I have with me Tracy. She actually owns the vehicle. She's going to be helping out under the hood, and she's going to go over some of the things we'll need to do a full detail under the hood.
Alright, this is what we're going to need. We've got our degreaser. We've got it mixed 3-to-1. It's a little bit stronger than recommended, but there's a lot of grease that has to be taken off. We also have a protectant. You can use Armor All, McGuire's, whatever product you prefer. Play around with it, see which one works best for you. We have our rags. We also have different size brushes for the different crevices, surfaces, and getting underneath. We have our gloves to keep the chemicals off of our hands. We have the fender well covers to protect our paint on our car. The only thing you do not see in this shot is the steamer. It's better to use a steamer. It's going to loosen that grease up a lot better than using, say, a pressure washer or a water hose, but those are perfectly acceptable. All right, we've got a lot of work to do. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is spray everything down, put a little extra on the really bad areas, and then we're going to let it sit for a few minutes before we even start trying to clean it off. It is preferable to do this with a cool engine because you do not want to be inhaling the fumes from the degreaser if it's evaporating off a hot engine. Okay, that should be good. And we're going to let this sit for a few minutes and come back and start cleaning.
Alright guys, so as you see, we're going through this process under the hood here. We're still using our degreaser. We're going to continue to spray it in places to make sure everything stays nice and degreased while we're cleaning it and scrubbing it, especially down in the parts right here where you have a lot of buildup. Just kind of want to get down in there, and as you can see, the degreaser is already working. It's taking off a lot of this nastiness down here. Spray a little bit on there, get down in there and scrub it real good. You can let it sit a little bit longer. But pretty much as soon as you spray it on, it's going to start eating it away.
Okay, we're about to start steaming now. Be sure that you've got a small nozzle attachment on here so that you can really get this grease off. Make sure to point it away from you. Be very careful. The steam is extremely hot. Keep it away from your face. Do not stand over it. Just be safe when you're doing this. Be sure to purge it first. And start steaming. And after you steam a small section, go ahead and wipe it down with a rag. I've already brought a stack of rags closer to me so that once this one is saturated, I can just throw it away and grab a new rag and keep cleaning. Be careful around the wires. You don't want to pull anything out when you're cleaning. Okay, after drying thoroughly, we are now going to start on the plastics, cleaning them up, making them look better. Because as you can tell right here where I did my test, it's a lot blacker than this. So this looks a lot better than that. So we're going to take our restorer, just wipe it off.
Right now what Tracy is using is Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer.
After you finish applying it, I applied it pretty thick. Go back and wipe the excess off of everything you just applied it to. That's pretty much the last step. We've got everything clean. I think it looks pretty good now.
Alright guys, so there's a couple of things to go over here. The reason you clean under your hood like this is not only to keep it looking nice under there, you also want to keep all of that road grime and everything that you get built up from all the oil and grease that accumulates under the hood. The reason for doing that is going to help keep the engine cooler. It's not going to have all that buildup on it, and it's going to keep everything under the hood running smoothly. I do hope that you enjoyed our video, and if there's anything you would like to see on some of our videos, put it in the comments and let us know, and we'll do our best to get it done for you. Tracy?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much for watching.